Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are discuss about the mensuration chapter 10 of class 6. Let's see what is mensuration. Mensuration Mensuration is a branch of mathematics that deal with the measurement of the length जो deal करता है किसके साथ measurement of the length, area और volume of the various geometric shapes. Let's see. A branch of mathematics that talks about the length, volume or area of the different geometric shapes is called mensuration. यानी वो ब्रांच मैथ की जो हमको बताती है लेंथ, वॉल्यूम एंड एरिया के बारे में, that is called mensuration. These shapes exist in two dimension and the three dimension. The shape will be in two dimension and maybe in three dimension. Let's learn the difference between the two. Let's see difference between the two dimension and the three dimension shape, 2D and the 3D shapes. Let's see circle, square, triangle, rectangle, semicircle, oval, rectangle, parallelogram, pentagon, decagon, nanagon, octagon, heptagon and hexagon. ठीक है, all are the 2D shapes, two dimensional shapes, and the 3D shapes are cube, cuboid, cone, triangular prism, cylinder, hexagonal prism, pyramid and the spheres. These all are in a 3D shapes. Let's see what is the difference between 2D and the 3D. 2D shapes, if shapes is surrounded by थ्री और मोर देन स्ट्रेट लाइंस इन ए प्लेन. ठीक है, अगर कोई भी शेप सराउंडेड की गई है तीन या तीन से ज्यादा स्ट्रेट लाइंस के द्वारा, देन इट इज 2D shapes, टू डायमेंशनल शेप. एंड इफ यू शेप इज सराउंडेड बाय नंबर ऑफ द सरफेस और ए प्लेन्स, उसमें नंबर ऑफ द सरफेस और प्लेन्स को अगर डिफाइन किया गया है, एंड द शेप्स इज 3D shapes. These shapes have no depth and no height. 2D shapes में ना ही डेप्थ होती है और ना ही हाइट होती. सेम these are also called solid shapes. इनको solid shapes भी बोलते हैं. And unlike 2D they have height और depth. इनके पास depth भी होती है या फिर height होती है. Let's see the third point. These shapes have only two dimension. One is length and another is breadth. And the point is these are called 3D dimension, have depth, breadth and length. इसके पास length भी होती है, breadth भी होती है या फिर height या फिर में depth, तीनों होते हैं. ठीक है, let's see the next point is we can measure their area and perimeter. ठीक है, हम इसके एरिया और पेरीमीटर को मेजर कर सकते हैं. बट इन थ्री डायमेंशन वी कैन मेजर क्राउड सरफेस एरिया, lateral surface area and the total surface area. ठीक है, let's see mensuration in math. Important terminologies. Let's see term area. area को define करते हैं हम A से. Then the unit of the area is meter square या फिर centimeter square. Definition क्या होगी? The area is a surface which is covered by the closed shape. कोई भी closed shape है उसके द्वारा कितना वो area, कितने वो area को cover कर रहा है, that is called area. Let's see the next point. What is perimeter? It is defined with P, capital P, and the unit is centimeter and meter. The measure of the continuous line along the boundary of the given figure. ठीक है, किसी भी given figure को अगर उसकी मैं boundary को निकालता हूँ, then it is called its perimeter. Then it is called its parameter. ठीक है. Let's see the volume. That is defined with the capital V, and the unit is centimeter cube and meter cube. The shape occupied by a 3D shapes is called volume. जो भी shape occupy की गई है किसी भी 3D shapes के लिए, then it's volume, यानी उसके अंदर जितना भी space होगा वो क्या होगा, एक उसका volume होगा. ठीक है, let's see the CSA, crowd surface area, that is represented by CSA and the unit is centimeter square and meter square. If there is a crowd surface, then the total surface is called a crowd surface area. एग्जाम्पल स्फीयर. अगर स्फीयर है, स्फीयर इट मीन्स कोई बॉल है, अगर उसको क्या निकालना, क्राउड सरफेस एरिया है, क्या होगा उसका टोटल सरफेस एरिया होगा. ठीक है, लेट्स सी लेटरल सरफेस एरिया. लेटरल सरफेस एरिया विच इज डिफाइंड विद LSA, the and the unit is meter square and the centimeter square. and the total area of the all lateral surface that's surrounded by the given figure is called lateral surface area. Let's see total surface area. What is total surface area? That is defined with TSA, and the unit is meter square and the centimeter square. The sum of the all crowd and the lateral surface area are called total surface area, and TSA is equal to the sum of crowd surface area and CSA and the sum of with LSA and lateral surface area. The sum of the crowd surface area and the lateral surface area is equal to total surface area, that is TSA. Let's see the next point. Square unit. Square yani meter square unit, centimeter square unit. The area covered by a square with the side 1 unit is called square unit. And the cube unit is meter cube. The volume occupied by the cube one side is 1 unit. Let's see the next point. Mensuration formulas. Now let us learn all the important mensuration formulas involving 2D and the 3D shapes are. Using this mensuration formulas list, it will be easy to solve the mensuration problems. Let's see. Students can also download the mensuration formula list PDF from the link given above. ठीक है? In generation, the most common formulas in the mensuration involve surface area and the volume of 2D and the 3D figure. Let's see what is the mensuration formulas of square. The perimeter of the square is 4 into side. 4 into side. अभी बताया मैंने perimeter क्या होता है? Perimeter boundaries का sum. Let's see what is square and what is rectangle. Let's see square जिसकी चारों sides क्या हो? Equal हो. Let's see 1 2 3 4 4 sides are equal, then it is called square. And the rectangle जिसकी आमने सामने वाली opposite sides are equal, then it is called rectangle. Then see the perimeter is sum of the boundaries, then s plus s plus s plus s, that is 4s. Then the perimeter of the square is 4s, same as the perimeter of the rectangle is, let's see, it is L, and it is say opposite sides also same, then L, then it is V and W, and it is also W, then L plus S, that is 2L, and the W plus W, that is 2W. Then we take common 2, then L plus W. Then the then the perimeter of the rectangle is 2 into length plus width. ठीक है? Same as circle circumference of the circle, that is R. R is the radius between the distance between the center of the circle to the circumference of the circle, that is called radius. And the circumference of the circle is called 2 pi r, that is called 2 pi r. ठीक है? Let's see about the area. Area. Square का area क्या होता है? Side into side is the area of the square. Then the rectangle is length into breadth या फिर length into width. ठीक है? Triangle का area होता है half into base into height. ठीक है? Then the trapezium, half into sum of the parallel sides into h. Area of the trapezium is parallel side, this one is parallel to this, then the sum of the parallel sides into height का half क्या होगा? Area of the trapezium. And the area of the circle is pi r square. R is the distance between the center and the circumference of the circle. Let's see surface area of the cube. What is the surface area of the cube? What is cube? A box which have all sides are equal. एक बॉक्स है जिसकी सभी साइड्स यानी लेंथ, ब्रेड्थ और हाइट तीनों अगर इक्वल हो तो क्या होगा? वो सरफेस एरिया होगा किसका? क्यूब का. द सरफेस एरिया ऑफ क्यूब इज 6 into साइड का स्क्वायर, बिकॉज द एरिया ऑफ द वन साइड इज साइड स्क्वायर. देन हाउ मेनी साइड्स आर इन ए बॉक्स? अप, डाउन, 2, then east, west and north and south, that is 4, 2 into 6. Then 6 into side ka square is the area of the cube. Let's see area of the cylinder. Let's see, this is cylinder. The h is denoted by height of the cylinder, and r is the radius, the distance between the center of the circle and circumference of the circle, that is denoted by r. Then the curved surface area of the cylinder, which is given total surface area of the cylinder, is 2 pi rh and the pi r square. Let's see surface area of the cone. Surface area of the cone. ठीक है. Let's see r is the distance between the center and the circumference and h is the height or l is the slant height. Slant height means झुकी हुई height that is denoted by L. Then the surface area of the cone is pi r L. Same surface area of the sphere. What is the surface area of the sphere? Surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r square. Same as, let's see, cube. Volume निकालेंगे. Cube. Volume of the cube is side का cube. Side into side into side is the cube of the volume. सिलेंडर का वॉल्यूम क्या होगा? सिलेंडर का वॉल्यूम होगा पाई आर स्क्वायर एच एंड द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द कॉन इज 1/3 पाई आर स्क्वायर एच. सेम एज वॉल्यूम ऑफ द स्फीयर. वॉल्यूम का मतलब है, लेट्स सी स्फीयर. स्फीयर के अंदर कितना स्पेस है वो क्या होगा? उसका वॉल्यूम होगा. सेम एज कॉन के अंदर कितना स्पेस है वो उसका वॉल्यूम है. लेट्स सी सिलेंडर. एक सिलेंडर है, मान ले तो गिलास है, जो कि गिलास किसकी फॉर्म में होता है? सिलेंडर की फॉर्म में होता है. तो इट मींस इसके अंदर कितना स्पेस है, या फिर हम बात करूं कितने लीटर इसके अंदर पानी आ सकता है, कितने लीटर इसके अंदर मिल्क आ सकता है. ठीक है, तो वो क्या किसको बताएगा? उसके स्पेस को बताएगा. इट मींस वो वॉल्यूम को बताएगा कि इसकी वॉल्यूम कितनी है. तो सेम एज वॉल्यूम ऑफ द सिलेंडर होता है पाई आर स्क्वायर एच एंड वॉल्यूम ऑफ द कॉन इज 1/3 पाई आर स्क्वायर एच and the volume of the sphere is 4/3 pi r cube. Let's see the next point is mensuration formulas of for 2D formulas. Let's see square. Then the area is side into side. Area is side into side. Let's see side is a. Then the area is a into a. That is a square. Same as perimeter is sum of the boundaries. Then all the boundaries are equal because it is a square. Then the a plus that is a 4a is the perimeter of the square. Let's see the rectangle is area of rectangle is length into breadth, and the perimeter is sum of the boundaries. Then opposite sides of the rectangle are equal and L plus L, that is 2L, and the boundaries opposite are b into b, that is 2b. Then that we take 2 common, then 2 common, then it is 2 into L plus b is the perimeter of the rectangle. Then the same as area of the circle, that is pi r square, that is the value of the pi is 22/7 या फिर 3.14. ठीक है, and r square, r, what is r? The distance between the center of the circle and the circumference of the circle. The distance between center of circle and the circumference of the circle. The distance between center of the circle and circumference of the circle. तो पूछ लेगी एक सर्कल के अंदर कितने रेडियस होते हैं? तो इन्फिनिटी रेडियस होते हैं. सेंटर से लेकर और सर्कमफ्रेंस तक की डिस्टेंस को हम क्या बोलते हैं? रेडियस बोलते हैं. That is 2 pi r is the circumference of the circle. Scalene triangle. Then the perimeter of a scalene triangle is a sum of the sides and a plus b plus c is the perimeter of the scalene triangle. What is scalene triangle? The triangle in which all sides are unequals. Then the perimeter is sum of the all side a plus b plus c. Then perimeter is a plus b plus c. And the area is semi-perimeter into semi-perimeter minus side 1 into semi-perimeter minus side b and the semi-perimeter minus c. What is S? S denote the semi-perimeter and perimeter का half, and the perimeter is a plus b plus c and the sum of the all sides divided by 2, that's denote by S, that is semi-perimeter of a scalene triangle. ठीक है, तो हम इस तरीके से क्या कर सकते हैं? एरिया निकाल सकते हैं किसी भी scalene triangles का. ठीक है, let's see the next point is isosceles triangle. The triangles which have two sides are equal, that is called isosceles triangle. या फिर the triangle which have two angles are equal, that is isosceles triangle. Then the area of the isosceles triangle is half into base into height, and the perimeter is sum of the sides. One side is A, then another B होगी क्यों इसकी दो sides equal हैं. Then the third is B, and the perimeter is sum of the boundaries यानी A plus B, that is A plus A, that is 2A, then plus B is the perimeter of a isosceles triangle. Let's see the next point. What is equilibrium triangle? What is, sorry, equilateral triangle? The triangle which have all angles are equal, या फिर the triangle which have all angles are 60 degree, या फिर the triangle which have all sides are equal, that is also called equilateral triangle. वो triangle जिसकी सभी sides क्या हो, equal हो, सभी sides क्या हो, equal हो. then the perimeter is then the perimeter is sum of the boundaries and a plus a plus a plus a plus a, that is 3a is the perimeter of equilateral triangle, and the area is root 3 by 4 into a any sides का square is the area of the equilateral triangle. Let's see the next point is right angle triangle. What is right angle triangle? The triangle in which one angle is 90 degree, that is called right angle triangle. Then the area of the right angle triangle is half into base into height, and the perimeter is base plus hypotenuse plus perpendicular. ठीक है, this is called this. ये कहां से आया? Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras, what is the Pythagoras theorem says? The Pythagoras theorem says कि एंगल्स के जो सामने वाला साइड होगा उसको बोलेंगे परपेंडिकुलर, और एंगल्स के साथ वाली साइड होगी बेस, एंड वो अगर एक साइड बच की वो होगी हाइपोटेन्यूज. ठीक है, देन व्हाट इज सेज पाइथागोरस थ्योरम? पाइथागोरस थ्योरम सेज द हाइपोटेन्यूज का स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू द सम ऑफ द स्क्वायर ऑफ द परपेंडिकुलर एंड द बेस का स्क्वायर, दैट इज कॉल्ड पाइथागोरस थ्योरम सेज. ठीक है, देन द एरिया इज हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट. किस ट्रायंगल्स का? राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल्स का. एंड पेरीमीटर इज ऑल साइड्स का सम. ठीक है, और पाइथागोरस थ्योरम कब यूज होगी? तब ट्रायंगल्स क्या होगी? राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल्स होगी, तभी हम क्या करेंगे? पाइथागोरस थ्योरम का यूज करेंगे. लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज shape is rhombus. Then the area of the rhombus is half into d1 denote the diagonal 1 and d2 denote the diagonal 2. यानी half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2 is the area of the rhombus. Rhombus have all four sides are equal. Then the perimeter is 4 into side. Let's see parallelogram. Parallelogram means the opposite sides are parallel to each other. They never be intersect. वो कभी भी intersect नहीं करेंगे, एक दूसरे क्या होंगी? Parallel होंगी. Then the parallelogram area is base into height, and the perimeter is 2 into length plus breadth. Let's see what is trapezium. What is trapezium? Trapezium is area of trapezium is half into sum of the parallel side. Two sides are parallel, then A plus C. Sum of the parallel sides into height, that denote with H. Then the area of the trapezium is half into sum of the parallel sides into height, and the perimeter is A plus B plus C plus D, that is the sum of the boundaries. Let's see mensuration of formula of the 3D shapes. Shape cube, area of the cube, volume of the cube, and the lateral surface area and the total surface area of the cube. Let's see, area of the cube is side into side into side, that is a cube, and the lateral surface area of the cube, that is 4a square, and the total surface area is 6a square. Same as cuboid, area of the cuboid is length breadth into height, and lateral surface area is 2h into L plus B, and total surface area 2 into length plus breadth plus height into length. That is the total surface area of the cuboid. Then we see the next point is sphere. The lateral surface area of the sphere is, sorry, volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube, and the crowd surface area is 4 pi r square, and the total surface area is also 4 pi r square. Let's see the shapes hemisphere. Hemisphere and sphere का half. The volume of the cube and 2 by 3 pi r cube, and the crowd surface area of the cube, the crowd surface area of the hemisphere, that is 2 pi r square. Total surface area of the 4 pi r square, then half निकालना तो by 2, then the 2 pi r square, and the total surface area is 3 pi r square. Then the next point is volume of a cylinder. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h, and the crowd surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi rh, and total surface area is 2 pi rh. Then we add the area of the circle, upper and inner, that is pi r square and pi r square, that is pi r square and pi r square, that is 2 pi r square plus 2 pi rh is the total surface area of the cylinder. Let's see the next point is, what is cone? Volume of the cone half into pi r square h is the volume of the cone, and the crowd surface area of the cone pi r l. R is the radius and L is the slant height. Slant height means जो झुकी हुई, जिसको हम हाइट बोलेंगे, जो झुकी हुई है 90 डिग्री की नहीं है, वो हाइट को क्या बोलेंगे? स्लैंट हाइट. And the total surface area of the cone is pi r into r plus L. Let's see shapes: square, circle, triangles, heart, rectangle, and a oval shape. Let's see. A shape is in a form of an object. Example of the two-dimensional shapes are square, rectangle, triangle, and the three-dimensional shape are cube, cuboid, and the sphere. Two-dimensional की shape की अगर मैं बात करूँ तो square, rectangle और triangles आएंगी, और three-dimensional की बात करूँ तो मैं cube, cuboid, and sphere. Let's see the next point. What is perimeter? Perimeter is the total length or a total distance covered by an object of the boundary of the closed shape. किसी भी closed shape की total sum of the boundaries या फिर total distance वो cover किया, वो क्या होंगी? उसकी perimeter होंगे. Let's see, A then B plus C plus D is the total sum of the boundaries, then it is the perimeter of the shape. ठीक है. एंड द पेरीमीटर ऑफ सर्कल, जो पेरीमीटर होगा यानी बाउंड्री होंगी सर्कल की, उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? सर्कमफ्रेंस ऑफ द सर्कल. सर्कमफ्रेंस ऑफ द सर्कल. Let's see perimeter of a triangle. Perimeter of a triangle is the sum of the length of the all sides A plus B then plus C is the sum of the length of the all side is the perimeter of the triangle. If the given triangle is in equilateral triangle, अगर triangles क्या equilateral है, it means उसकी तीनों sides क्या होंगी? Same होंगी, A और A. Then the perimeter is 3 into side यानी 3 into A, that is 3A. ठीक है. Perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle सम ऑफ द बाउंड्रीज यानी पेरीमीटर क्या, रेक्टेंगल क्या होता है? जिसकी अपोजिट साइड्स इक्वल हो. देन व्हाट इज लेंथ? देन इट इज आल्सो लेंथ. एंड व्हाट देन इट इज विड्थ? देन इट इज आल्सो विड्थ, बिकॉज अपोजिट साइड्स ऑफ द रेक्टेंगल इज ऑलवेज इक्वल. देन द पेरीमीटर इज सम ऑफ द बाउंड्रीज, दैट इज L plus width, then L plus L, that is 2L, and the width is 2 width. Then the 2 take 2 common, 2L plus 2 width, then take 2 common, then the answer is 2 into length plus breadth is the perimeter of rectangle. Let's see perimeter of a square. Square, the quadrilateral which have all sides are equal. वो quadrilateral जिसकी सभी sides क्या हो? Equal हो. It means सभी sides अगर A हैं, then the perimeter is sum of the boundaries यानी A plus A plus A plus A, that is 4 into A is the perimeter of the square. पेरीमीटर ऑफ ए एन साइड पॉलीगन. अगर किसी की एन साइड पॉलीगन हो, देन द पेरीमीटर कैसे निकालेंगे? ए पॉलीगन इज ए क्लोज शेप. एक पॉलीगन क्या होता है? जो कि एक क्लोज शेप होती है, जो कि किससे मिलके बनती है? लाइन सेगमेंट से मिलके बनती है. देन द पेरीमीटर ऑफ ए साइड पॉलीगन, जितनी भी उसकी साइड्स होंगी इनटू मल्टीप्लाई विद लेंथ ऑफ द वन साइड इज कॉल्ड द पेरीमीटर ऑफ द पॉलीगन. एग्जांपल, लेंथ ऑफ ईच साइड ऑफ द हेक्सागन. हेक्सागन की अगर सभी साइड्स क्या सेम है, हेक्सागन की अगर सभी साइड्स क्या सेम है, ए है, इट मींस हेक्सागन हैव द 6 साइड्स, देन 6 into length of the one side is a, then 6 into a is the perimeter of the hexagon. Let's see the next point. Perimeter of a irregular shapes. What is the irregular shapes? Irregular shapes are the shapes which do not have all sides and the angles are equal. जिसकी सभी sides और angles क्या हो, equal ना हो. Then the perimeter of irregular shape is equal to the total length covered by the shape. जितनी भी total length उस फिगर के द्वारा कवर की गई है या फिर उस irregular shapes के द्वारा कवर की गई है, that is the perimeter of the irregular shape. What is area? एरिया इज द टोटल अमाउंट ऑफ द सरफेस एनक्लोज्ड बाय क्लोज्ड फिगर. कोई भी क्लोज फिगर है उसके अंदर कितना जो है, कितना सरफेस कवर किया गया, दैट इज कॉल्ड एरिया. दैट इज कॉल्ड एरिया. देन एरिया ऑफ द स्क्वायर इज साइड इनटू साइड. इट मींस ए का स्क्वायर वेयर ए इज द लेंथ ऑफ द ईच साइड. देन द एरिया ऑफ द रेक्टेंगल इज length into breadth. Area of the rectangle is length into breadth. And the area of the triangle is half into base into height. Half into base into height is the area of the triangle. Next is area of the different type of the triangle. Different type of the अगर triangle दे रखा है, let's see. Consider an acute or obtuse triangle. Acute triangle, the triangle in which all angles have less than 90 degree and the triangles which have one angle is more than 90 degree या फिर 90, that is called, sorry 90 नहीं, more than 90 degree, that is called obtuse triangle. Then the area of each triangle is half into base into height. Visualize the area. The area of the each small square is 1 centimeter square. Then the area of the rectangle is 5 into 2, that is 2. That's the area of the square. 2 into 2, 4 meter square. Then the area of the irregular shapes. Area of the irregular figures can be included. Divided the irregular shapes into a regular shape. Irregular shapes को अगर मैं क्या करूँगा, regular shapes में divide करूँगा. Let's see. Firstly we divide this figure. Then this is 4 centimeter and लेट्स सी ये टोटल कितना है 9 सेंटीमीटर है. देन यहाँ तक कितना होगा, ये 4 है तो यहाँ तक कितना होगा 4 सेंटीमीटर और ये 3 है तो यहाँ तक कितना होगा 3. देन 4 प्लस 3 7. देन बचा कितना 2. देन ये भी क्या होगा 2 सेंटीमीटर. देन 4 सेंटीमीटर एंड दैट इज 2 सेंटीमीटर. देन द area of AHGM, that is a rectangle. The area of the rectangle is 4 into 2. 4 into 2 that is 8. And the area of this is ये 3 सेंटीमीटर है एंड ये भी क्या हुआ 3 सेंटीमीटर इज स्क्वायर. द एरिया ऑफ द स्क्वायर इज 3 into 3 that is 6, sorry 3 into 3 that is 9. and the area of this figure MNCB, इसकी वन साइड कितना 9 है और यहाँ तक ये कितना है 5 है. then the area of the BCNM, that is 9 into 5 that is 45. then the all complete irregular shapes are divided into irregular shapes and they add the area of the all irregular shapes. Then the 8 plus 9 that is 17 plus 45 that is 62. तो इस तरीके से हम क्या कर सकते हैं, irregular shapes को पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर कर रेगुलर शेप्स के तो एरिया निकाल के सम कर देंगे तो क्या आ जाएगा, इरेगुलर शेप्स का क्या आ जाएगा, एरिया आ जाएगा. ठीक है. लेट्स सी मेंसुरेशन. मेंसुरेशन में हमने क्या पढ़ा, पेरीमीटर जो कि लेंथ यूनिट किस क्या होती है, मीटर और सेंटीमीटर. पेरीमीटर क्या होता है, सम ऑफ द लेंथ ऑल साइड प्लेन फिगर एंड द एरिया यूजिंग स्क्वायर पेपर. ठीक है. पेरीमीटर ऑफ ए इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल दैट इज 3 into sides because equilateral triangles have all sides are equal. Same as the perimeter of the square. Perimeter of the square is 4 into sides because square have the all sides are equal. Same as perimeter of the rectangle is length into breadth. Perimeter of the rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth because the opposite sides of the rectangle has same. Then 2L plus 2B is the perimeter. When we take the 2 common, then the 2 into length plus breadth is the perimeter of a rectangle. Then the perimeter of triangle is sum of the all sides is the perimeter. Then the area, unit of the area is centimeter square या फिर मीटर स्क्वायर. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में स्टार्ट करेंगे हम इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन ऑफ द मेंसुरेशन. ठीक है. तो कंप्लीट जो फॉर्मूलाज हैं ये क्या होने चाहिए, याद होने चाहिए. एरिया एंड वॉल्यूम एंड द पेरीमीटर ऑफ ऑल द 2 डायमेंशन एंड द 3 डायमेंशन फिगर. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक में क्या आएंगे हमारे, बिल्कुल इंपॉर्टेंट काम आएंगे, तभी हम क्या कर पाएंगे, इजी वे से क्वेश्चन क्या कर सकते हैं, सोल्व कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. थैंक यू. हैव ए नाइस डे.